Hi, Sean again. It's been a while since I made a video, so I thought I'd jump in here and make one. This is what I'm listening to. Dark Heart, Shadow of the Night. Covers a little. I just got this sealed. It's on Attic Records and originally Roadrunner Records, I guess. Came out in '84. It's pretty good. Some '80s metal. Some their inner sleeve. Some metal records on it. It's pretty cool. Got Anvil and the Dwarves. Judas Priest. Cool. Pretty good album. Anyways, I wanted to show you some stuff that I've been listening to last little while. This is some good stuff. So, first of all, this is Chex Fourth, Gatefold. This is a Swedish doom psych band. Doom metal psych label. It's on I Hate Records, Sweden. And I really dig this band. This is their first album on this Chex Fourth. They originally were called Totem, and the first album was released under the Totem name, and then they changed the name to Chex Fourth and put this album out. And I have this one, which is a EP. Oh, what that one? Sorry, no mistake. Somewhere in here. Where is it? There it is. Sorry. This one. 4-song EP. I'm pretty sure it's called The Witness. Yeah, Witness. We got 4 songs. Again, I Hate Records from Sweden. Awesome album. I really like these guys. And if you haven't checked them out, you should check them out. I'm going to put a link below of some of their stuff. And I also got this. Albino Python, The Doomed and the Damned. This is US from Easy Rider Records. The Doom metal. And it's on. You can see that's purple. I think there's 4. There's black, you get on black, orange, purple, and clear, I believe. And I'm pretty sure there's only 75 copies of the purple. So, still for sale. Go to their website. If you like Sight, like Doom, you like this. It's really good. And listen to this one, Fuzz, which is a lot of the same idea. Same kind of style of vocals as on the Albino Python. Kind of doomy too. Sleeve. on In the Red Records. Awesome album. It's one of my favorites. It's a good one. That's about it for what I've been listening to right now, anyways. And I really suggest you check out these guys. If you like Doom Psych, you will love this. It's so good. I'll put a link to a YouTube video of, I believe it's going to be the whole B-side, which is probably the best side on that, B-side. So, thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing, and, I just realized I was at 100 subscribers, so I just want to thank everybody for subscribing and watching my videos. And I can't believe I got 100 people that are interested in checking out Got the Show. So thank you very much again, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.